Factor through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
So race fans, take a good look at them, make your bets. As your front row, Kirk Turner. Outside of him, that's going to be Cameron Weaver. 15 laps here on Golden Mountain Raceway Park. They're going to be nose to tail, side by side. Sietsema's got the control. As the green is up, throttles down, we are underway. I haven't seen this many cop cars since the last time I was in Atlanta, Georgia. As now Sietsema gonna Kirk Turner gonna lead him down the back straightaway, side by side. Weaver gonna slide up. Sietsema goes to the bottom. It's muddy down there. Still side by side as Wilson gonna be pointed the wrong direction over in turn 3 and 4. Caution will wave. So we're going to go back underway. Kirk Turner going to lead us off turn number 4. Weaver, third time's a charm. He got a better start that time. He's going to be side by side with the Gold Digger. That's going to be the 2 of Scott Randolph. They make contact. Weaver got a tire down on the right rear. So it looks like a right rear tire down on that 116 of Cameron Weaver. That's going to bring his knot to an early end. But meanwhile, back out front, it is the Kurt Turner show. Kurt Turner. Then it's going to be Scott Randolph. Then the 10 of Wilson, your top three. Here comes Tyrell Bowman. Tyrell Bowman working the bottom side of 3 and 4 as the 5 of Chris Wilson. As Chris Wilson took an absolute shot at your race lead and got it. The 1 of Kurt Turner. Going to pull it into the infield pit area. It's going to bring us out to an early end as well. They are falling like flies. As you see the smoke coming out from the bottom side of the 2 of Scott Randolph. Wonder what that tire, is that tire smoke? It is. Tire smoke on to the 2 of Scott Randolph. Tyrell Bowman still hanging back there in third. Here comes the 7 of Corey Vickers. Corey Vickers started 11th on the field. Now he's looking to find his way into the podium spot as the 2 of Scott Randolph. Going to pull it in the field pit area. Tire down as well. Tires seeming to be the factor here. As, ladies and gentlemen, that is one way to do it. As Chris Wilson, the number 10, going to be still showing the way out front. Then it's going to be Tyrell Bowman and Corey Vickers. So we're going to be 7, 8 laps down right here. As Chris Wilson still showing the way. Then it's going to be Tyrell Bowman and Corey Vickers. Corey Vickers trying to make his way into the number 2 spot. Tyrell Bowman gets a little crossed up into turn 3 out of 4. Gathers it back up. No harm, no foul. 5 to go this time. So Chris Wilson out front walking Miss Daisy as Corey Vickers trying to make his way around. Tyrell Bowman, that's 3 7s, fighting for the number 2 spot, the 66. Taking the short way around through the infield. We'll have to give him a little bit of money for mowing the grass for us. 3 to go that time. That's going to be bullhorns in the air this time by for the 10 of Wilson. He's going to take that hot rod. That's a Grand Marquis, by the way. So it's going to be white flag this time. White flag this time for Chris Wilson. As he's going to keep it on the straight and narrow. The battle is going to be for second, Corey Vickers and Tyrell Bowman. Is Corey Vickers going to press the issue? Almost makes contact with Tyrell. Chris Wilson dives off into turn 3 as he will pick up your Crown Vic portion of tonight's feature events. Corey Vickers going to try to cross that thing up on the bottom side. Not going to get it done. As Tyrell Bowman going to come home second. Corey Vickers third.